From here, Hamilton Beach, coffee making machine, right? Well, right, it's like more like a just a pizza, but yeah, coffee making machine. Right, switch here. Let me try to put this down. Is going through. So it's not coming on, so I have to open it. That's a major deal, except these guys have put a triangular screw there. I'm not sure if it's visible. The rest of these, normal Phillip head, very easy. That one's triangular. So let me see if I can figure out. If I have a small enough flathead, I can get that to work. Other than that, I'm probably gonna have to make a screwdriver by grinding a nail. The mechanism inside isn't much really different than I'd expect. A contact, the both sides go to the heating element, which is right or wrong, fine. And then what they've done is use, well, proper, fiberglass coated wire. But just a resistor, I went to the LED strip. So that's the LED strip that lights up on the bottom. Just a straight resistor, no capacitive dropper, no anything else. I guess there's probably a diode in there, or they expecting the LEDs to do the rectification. I would think there's a diode. I'm not seeing it, but I would think there's a diode somewhere in there. Again, simple mechanism, just all joined up on this. And I suspect there's probably a thermistor somewhere. I'm seeing two contacts here. Let me play around with this a bit. There's a physical problem. It's most likely not an electrical problem. I haven't checked the electrics, but the electrics should probably be okay. Physically, the switch is the problem. Figure it out while it's attached. So I'll just take the whole mechanism out. Just 3 screws. 1, 2, third one here. Love the design. It's really simple. Just unplug 2 things, pull out 3 screws. So let me see if I can figure out the mechanical problem. Shimmying, I got it to work. As you can see, the blue LEDs are on. So it seems just is working. The spring was definitely a problem. The spring is going to continue on feel because it's not keeping its, well, spring constant. Second issue is it slipped out mechanically. So even with that in the spring, I have hung it up a little. I've gotten it to work, but yeah, it's not gonna last. Now theoretically, this should trip. Theoretically, the heating element should reach and should trip. We'll see if it does. If it doesn't, well, that's also our next problem. But the mechanism is a little fickle, and it is barely working right now because of really not the best selection of materials.